The food pyramid. Eating right every day. Eating right every day. Good nutrition is important to good health. This will give your body energy and help you grow. Make smart choices from every food group. Eating foods from the food guide pyramid and being physically active will help you grow healthy and strong. Eat a variety of foods. A balanced diet is one that includes all the food groups. And if you don't know what the food groups are, just hang tight, we're getting ready to show you. Now, let's explore some examples from the food guide pyramid to learn more about the food groups. Alright, so what you see now is the food guide pyramid. So, a day, follow my mouse, we want to eat grains, vegetables, fruits, not so much oils, milk, and meat and beans. Now, we want 6 ounces of grains, 2.5 cups of vegetables, 2 cups of fruits. See, not very much oils, okay? We don't want to eat that much. Milk or anything that's dairy, we want 3 cups of that. And then 5.5 ounces of meat or beans. Now let's explore what some fruits are. Any fruit or fruit juice, 100% though, counts as part of the fruit group. Fruits may be fresh, canned, frozen, or dried, and may be whole, cut up, or pureed. So a fruit smoothie that has 100% fruit in it, that can count as one of your fruits. Some mandarin oranges that come out of a can, that can also count as a fruit. Or if you just want to eat an orange, or some bananas, or some strawberries whole, you can do that too. Apples, bananas, strawberries, grapes, lemons, oranges, cantaloupes, which are personally my favorite fruit, watermelons, peaches, and raisins are some examples of foods in the fruit group. Eat 2 cups of these every day. Now we're moving on to everybody's favorite food group, vegetables. Any vegetable or 100% vegetable juice counts as a member of the vegetable group, just like the fruit group. Because remember, the fruit group, any fruit or 100% vegetable or fruit juice counted as a member of the vegetable group, of the fruit group. My bad, getting all these mixed up. Vegetables can be raw or cooked, fresh, frozen, canned, or dried / dehydrated. They can also be whole, cut up, or mashed. Broccoli, carrots, corn, peas, green beans, tomatoes, squash, celery, cucumbers, lettuce, potatoes, cabbage are some of the examples of foods in the vegetable group. We want to eat 2.5 cups of vegetables every single day. Let's move on to the meats, beans, and nuts. These are going to be your proteins. All foods made from meat, poultry, fish, dry beans or peas, eggs, nuts, and seeds are considered part of this group. Dry beans and peas are part of this group as well as the vegetable group. That's a little bit interesting. Dry beans and peas are also part of the vegetable group. Most meat and poultry choices should be lean or low fat. Fish, nuts, and seeds contain healthy oils, so choose these foods frequently instead of meat and poultry. Beef, lamb, pork, chicken, turkey, fish, tuna, crawfish, crabs, shrimp, eggs, beans, nuts, and sunflower seeds are some examples of foods in the meat group. We want to eat 5.5 ounces every day, which really isn't that hard when you think about it, because most of the times for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, well, we are at least having one of these things. For breakfast, you may have eggs. For lunch, you may have turkey or chicken or tuna or something. And for dinner, you might be having pork chops or even more chicken or beef. Now we're going to move on to the dairy group. This includes milk, yogurt, and cheese. Milk and many foods are made from milk are considered part of this food group. Most milk group choices should be fat-free or low-fat, such as skim milk. Milk, yogurt, cheese, ice cream, and pudding are some of the examples of foods in the milk group. You need 3 cups every day. Now we're going to go on to the grains. Most of you all probably don't know what the grains are, but that's okay because we're getting ready to learn. Any food made from wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, or another cereal grain is a grain product. Bread, pasta, oatmeal, breakfast cereals, tortillas, popcorn, crackers, pretzels, noodles, and grits are some examples of food in the grain group. We want to eat 6 ounces of grains every day. Now we're going to move on to the fats, oils, and the sweets. Oils are fats. Cooking oil, butter, mayonnaise, chips, dips, and salad dressings are some examples of food in the fat and oil groups. Oily foods and fats should be eaten in very small amounts. Sweets, while they're very good, have lots of sugar and have no vitamins or nutrients. Sweets and candies are also things that you should eat less of, unfortunately. Candy, desserts, and soft drinks are some examples of foods in the sweet group. Snacks. We're going to talk about healthy snacks really quick. When you get hungry between meals, choose a healthy snack. Any fruit or 100% fruit juice, water, or dried fruit like raisins would be a really healthy choice. Remember, fewer sweets, candy, and soft drinks. Let's look at our school lunch menu to see how our cafeteria ladies plan meals for us to eat. We're always going to have milk, spaghetti, green beans, bread, pears, that's one of the options. Milk, tacos, corn, salad, cheese, and a cinnamon roll. Milk, chicken with rice, peas, roll, and an apple. Remember, we want to eat a variety of foods. A balanced diet is one that includes all of the food groups, such as the menus laid out above. You see how they have the dairy, the carbs, and the grains, vegetables, more grains, and we're going to have a fruit. Same thing over here, except we have a little bit of a sweet rolled in as an extra incentive for us. And over here we have a healthy meal again. Eat well and stay healthy. You may want to keep a daily food diary for a week. Don't forget daily physical activity is important too. At the end of the week, check to see if you made your healthy choices. What changes should you make to eat more healthy? You need to decide what changes you need to make for a healthier diet. Start by making small changes, like switching to low-fat products, such as skim milk. Serving yourself extra servings of fruit and vegetables, and choosing healthy snacks. Now, I know it can be hard sometimes when you really want French fries instead to eat just regular potatoes, baked potatoes. That's going to be a much healthier choice because you're not getting all those extra fats and the oils that come with the fries. Make changes slowly until healthy eating becomes a good way of life. You can make changes little by little. Take one step at a time. And don't forget, physical activity. Becoming a healthier you isn't just about eating healthy. It's also about physical activity. Regular physical activity is important for your health and fitness. Physical activity simply means movement of the body that uses energy. Walking, hiking, bicycling, swimming, dancing, gardening, briskly pushing a baby stroller, climbing the stairs, or playing soccer are all good examples of being active. Adults should be physically active for at least 30 minutes a day, while children and teenagers should be physically active for 60 minutes a day. Congratulations! These are the steps to make a healthier you. Make smart choices from every food group. Don't forget the physical activity and you will feel better today. You will stay healthy for tomorrow.